So I don't like how I look in photos. I'm always the person that's behind the lens, and so for me to get in front of it, I was terrified.
What I wanted to do was present a broader range of what women today look like, and I wanted to include women with disability. I'm a photographer, so I was taking all the photos, and I felt very uncomfortable trying to put my lens onto their issues.
I had to sort of look within myself and think, well, what does my identity mean to me, not just anyone else?
It's hoping that by looking at these photographs and reading their accompanying stories, that maybe you will have a different view on disability and possibly a different view on the female form.
I think I've just learnt, being vulnerable is okay. You can be vulnerable and it can be powerful because, there's a side of you that people do find beauty about it. So.